Alright, guys and gals. Alright, viewers. That sounds too impersonal. Alright, my friends.
Friendship.
Okay. Hold on. First, I did something I haven't done in quite a while. And that is just buy as many Hot Wheels as I wanted to. Just like take my time looking through the pegs. It was fun. Go do that. We'll start with these. I got them for my twin boys. They say 6'7". 6'7". 6'7". Oh, fumbled the good ones. All right, no hits. They didn't take a hit. All right, I got these 3. They all happen to be Fords. They look good, man. Looks good. Looks good. And I mean, I'm gonna strip this and customize it, I think. Do something with it. I'm not gonna keep it a taxi. This one always comes correct with great, I don't know, great graphics, you know, lines and shit. Cool. And great wheels. I'm stealing them for sure. These tight wheels. Let's get in there. Get in there, you fucking crappy iPhone 12. It's like, bro, maybe it's my lighting. Let's see. Okay. Does help. Man, they're like, get these fucking wheels out of my face, right? Are you guys like that right now? Whatever, wheel swap pile. Definitely. Like, I'm not gonna keep this one carded because it's a Futurismo, you know? Moving on. Purchase strictly for the wheels. I've got a Toyota Corolla AE86 Sprinter Truno that these wheels might work on. Man, are these some 5 spokes? I really prefer 6 spoke rims. But yeah, anyway, these might work. Maybe this wasn't. Yeah, well, we're gonna use these wheels one day. All right. This is a car strictly to take the wheels from. I mean, it's cool, but I'm just gonna take the wheels and put it on an orange Civic. The next, wheels, and I am gonna have a video where I showcase like 50 wagons, so one of those could go in the wagon. What?
Show the top of that car.
Top of it? Oh, this one's not 6'7".
Oh.
It's the other one. That was what I started out with.
You did?
Yeah. Hold on. This is
Hello.
my boy. This is my boy. One of my boys.
6'7".
All right, let's flip it back. Wheels. Good wheels. What's up?
Hey, what's up? 6'7".
Did you know he said that too?
Wait, really?
Yeah, because of the car, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you still filming the video?
Yeah, I got like 2 more cars to go
Dad, can
to.
you face me, man? Why the heck?
Onward. Bought this strictly for the wheels. We'll probably throw the rest out when I take the wheels off. Yeah, buddy.
I'm sorry, I accidentally sold all your Brainrot thinking that I was going to play Avenue on your phone.
That's okay. That's fine. I just have to get the one Brainrot to rebirth then. Wait, I'm not doing that because of tomorrow, right?
What do you mean?
I don't know. What do you want me to do tomorrow? Play on as you?
Yeah, play as me.
On your private server or my private server?
It doesn't matter.
What do you, okay. So you just want me to try to get good new guys that spawn and...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, anything that like, it
Oh.
says Lucky Block. Anything that has the word Lucky Block in it besides blue. Yeah, don't buy blue and red Lucky Blocks, but the one with red and yellow combined in one. Buy them.
Okay.
And a Lucky Block shipped in a taco and a Lucky Block with tacos with 3. I'm not sure what it looks like because I've never saw.
It's just fun to buy a lot of cars. Go do that, everyone.